Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Today I want to tell about a news of cryptocurrencies.
Brazil expects to launch trading platform for client in a juice. The company exchange platform will start by offering Bitcoin and Ether to its customers, but plans to add other digital assets soon. The crypto crisis has not stopped the expansion plans of XP, as its director believed that the market will continue to grow. The company will have to face competition from other strong rivals in Brazil such as Nubank, Itaú Unibanco, and BTG Pactual. Brazilian low-cost financial service provider XPN announced the launch of its exchange cryptocurrency trading platform by the middle of next month, where only Bitcoin and Ether will be offered initially. However, the company director of financial produce, Lucas Rebencini, said that by the end of 2022, the company, which has 3.6 million customers, expect to incorporate other digital assets as reported by readers. Customers deemed by XP to have an adequate investment profile for such operations will have this opportunity to access the platform in mid-August, as it is currently only available to employees. The company explained that the cryptocurrency trade carried out to the exchange platform will comply with all user eligibility, eligibility rules, as well as with the level of risk that each one decides to assume. By the end of the year and earlier 2023, that Sao Paulo-based platform will add another 10 cryptocurrency to its digital trading offering, Rabachini said. Despite the crypto winter, the plans do not stop for the executive the current cryptocurrency crisis, which has eroded almost half of the value of Bitcoin, has not prevented the company from continuing its expansion plans in the crypto industry, since they are confident that the business will prosper in the long term. You can say the volume has been weak. There will be few orders, but we see this market systematically growing over time, Rebashini said. However, he acknowledged that is not something to ignore, but is also not a factor of concern. Our long-term vision is not just about price, but also about the blazing fast technology for order executive, which the company developed together with Nasdaq Inc. He added. Asked about other digital assets such as non-fungible tokens, equal NFT. Rabesini said that they are under study, but that there is nothing definite about them for now on the platform. The initial release of XPS Exchange platform was in May, but company employees began testing it in July to validate its operability. Among the company's strongest competitors are other Brazilian financial service companies such as Nubank, Itaú Unibanco, and BTG Pactual, which also plan to provide cryptocurrency trading service for their clients. By the end of the year and earlier 2023, the Sao Paulo-based platform will add another 10 cryptocurrency to its digital trading offering, Robert Rabasini said. Despite the crypto winter, the plans do not stop. For the executive, the current cryptocurrency crisis, which has eroded almost half of the value of Bitcoin, has not prevented the company from continuing its expansion plans in the crypto industry, saying they are confident that the business will prosper in the long term. You can say the volume has been weak. There will be few orders, but we see this market systematically growing over time. Rabasini said. However, he acknowledged that is not something is ignored, but is also not a factor of concern. Our long-term vision is not just about price, but also about the blazing fact technology for other exclusion. Asks about oh
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you guys.